How you going? I'm Lee from Gorilla Wall, and what we're going to do today is show you how to put a panel fence, a colourbond fence, on top of a concrete sleeper wall, the Gorilla Wall. So what we've got here is a mild steel plate. It's about 50mm wide and probably about 500mm long, probably get it a bit longer. It's got a few punched holes in it for your screws, for screwing the Good Neighbour fence onto. So what we're going to do today is basically you slide that down there. Now, if you can, before you put the top row of sleepers in, it's probably a good idea to get a nice weld down the side, but for video purposes, we're not going to do that today. And so then, basically, if you get a welder and weld this on, or you can, if you really want to, you could probably punch a few holes inside and bolt it to the steel post there, and that way you don't have to do any welding if you're not good at it. Anyway, I'm going to weld this, and yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. Alright, so I've welded that on. We've just used a little SIG weld. If you can have a look at that, Zach, it's just a SIG weld that we bought from a place called Total Tools. Pretty simple. It's a MIG welder. It's a gasless MIG, so you get some gasless wire. It's pretty easy. Real easy to weld if you get a good machine. Only costs about 400, 500 bucks. So come and have a look now. I've just basically, for video purposes, put a thick weld across there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and then we'll show you how the Good Neighbour post goes on. Hi, how you going? It's Lee from Gorilla Wall, and so what we're going to do now, we've welded this on, and as you can see, and so what we're going to do now is this is your colourbond panel fence that was screwed back to back. We've got these cut to size already, so basically we've levelled this, and it's been levelled and welded. Then basically what you do is you just slide that over top. You see we've already got these pre-drilled. So you slide that over the top, and what Andrew's going to do now is we've got, I'll show you the camera, we've got these things called Series 500 screws. They're really high tensile and they're hard to break, and they actually drill through, pre-drill through up to 5mm thick steel. So if you haven't pre-drilled, you could actually just screw straight through the mild steel. So if you want to give that a go, oh, you've got a screw on there already. All right, so whack one in the bottom there, Endo. This guy's got stage fright or something, they're laughing the whole time. All right, so you just level that post and you do the top one. Oh, yeah, in the screw. All right, do we have one more screw?
Yep.
So yeah, finish that off. So as you can see in there, got the screws. Andrew's going to put one more in there. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the rough side of the retaining wall. That'll all get backfilled, so you don't see any of that. And then we're going to put our fence on top, and the good side's on this side here, or the smooth side. So yeah, apart from that, we're going to put them all on, and yeah, you can sort of look at it and you think, oh gee, it looks a bit flimsy, but once it's all connected and all screwed up, it doesn't go anywhere. And so all the strength really is in that direction. So it's a really good way to screw the Good Neighbour, or colourbond fence on top of a wall, and we haven't had any problems. I've been doing it for years, so no fences are blown over. So this is a good, effective and a cheap way to do it. And in terms of getting the steel plates, don't have to buy them from us, you just get them from any steel manufacturer and just get some flat bar cut to size, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So apart from that, I don't think there's anything else to tell you. Alright, well there you go guys, the colourbond fence is on top. It's looking pretty good, nice and sturdy. It's exactly what you want in a fence, so it doesn't blow over. As you can see, just pan over there, Zacko. We've still got a bit to do, just keep panning around if you want. Still a bit to do, but we'll get it done.